Who are you? Who is the person you are most afraid of? Who do you think is the person who is in between your goals and your life? Who is that person that is hindering your progress? Everybody wants to know about him. Who is that guy? The simple answer is it is you. You are only the person who is making excuses for not doing the things. Go ahead. See, you have a lot of things to do, but you are still waiting for things to happen automatically. It will not happen. It is you who is stopping you from doing the things you want to do in your life. It is you who is stopping yourself from waking up early in the morning. It is you who is stopping yourself from doing the extra work at night. It is you who is making excuses. There is no one else in this world who can stop you from achieving the goals that you want to achieve in your life. It is up to you, man. You, yes, you. I'm talking to you. See, excuses are the things that you're making right now. You might be watching this video on YouTube or maybe on some other social media. Have you planned your day? Or the day runs you throughout automatically? Are you doing the things that you want to do in your life or still waiting for the things to happen? Nobody is going to stop you. It is really matters is that you yourself, who is that person who will do the things. It is you. You have to take the steps. If you are not in English, improve that English. It is up to you. You are not a healthy person. Get up early, do exercise, go to gym. You are not able to learn the new things. Start reading. Take out some extra time from your busy schedule and do the things that you want to do in your life. It is up to you. You are the person who is making progress. You are the person who is hindering your progress. See, if you want to do something, then it is up to you. It is a very good quote that I have remembered my school days and I follow to till date. That is, if it is up to, sorry, it is, if it is to be, it is up to me. Yes, if it is to be, it is up to me. If this thing can be done, it is up to me. If I can do it, I can do it. If I will do it, it is up to me. If I had to do it or not to do it. If I had to procrastinate it or not. It is up to me. So in life, what matters is the attitude of yourself. The yourself and the attitude towards the life and the goals. Nobody will stop you. This is only the excuses that that person is stopping me from achieving that goal. No, it is you. If that person is saying that let's go for some picnic, let's go some outside, it is up to you to say no or yes. You don't have to blame that person that he is taking you from your no. It is not. Don't blame others for your mistakes. Take responsibility of your life. Do the things that you want to do in your life. not that other people's are doing and you want to do that they are doing, that's why you want to do in this life. No. If somebody had told you to do this thing, then you start doing that thing. Come on, man. Really? It is up to you, man. It is up to you. You are only the person who is in between the progress of yourself. You are not doing the things and you are blaming others for that. If you make this attitude, then I'm sorry, you will not make any progress in your life. You will be here and here only. You will not progress from here. See guys, a lot of people are there in this world and they all are doing something. Maybe for other people or for themselves. And the person who is successful never make excuses and never say that he is hindering my progress, he is in between my path to the progress of my goals. No. They take responsibility of themselves. They know that they have to do the things. If they want to do something in their life, they can do it. And they are the only person who can do it. Nobody can stop them. It is you who stops you. So go ahead. Do something in your life. And don't stop yourself. Try things. Try new things. You never know what comes in future. What is in future? So remember guys, at the end I will conclude with this quote. If it is to be, it is up to me. So guys, if you like this video, please share with your family and friends who are always making excuses that other persons are making hindrances in their progress. And do subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of videos out there for personal development. I will make another video tomorrow and we'll meet you tomorrow with another topic and another story. Till then, goodbye.